So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make plus $1,000 days on Clickbank, and it's no bullshit. It's simple and straightforward, and I'm going to show it to you guys. So guys, let's get started. So the product which we would be promoting is called Kera Essential. It's on Clickbank, and also guys, again, literally I can show you a lot of transaction I've made through the same method, and this is the sales amount which I've made. So first things first, guys, again, this is the product which we are promoting called Kera Essential. It's about how to fix toenail fungus. Okay, once we know this is the product which we need to promote, again, we can promote in Microsoft ads or Google ads. It's one and the same thing, guys. So first things first, guys, all you have to do is just message the seller. Okay, once you message the seller, just tell him, please give me all the details about this product, the keywords, the landing pages, give me everything. Okay, so once you have done that, the guy would send you an email with all the creatives and everything, and literally you have everything. You have the native landing page. So this is the landing page. You have all the best converting emails, and also you have the best converting, so it will give you Google ads and YouTube ads demographics. It will give you keywords as well. Okay, so literally you have everything right now. So all you have to do is, again, I'm gonna do it on Bing ads or Microsoft ads. You can do the same thing on Google as well. It's very simple. All you have to do is just go on create. Once you create that, go on visit my website, create search ads. Okay, this is going to be Kera Essentials. Again, ignore the spelling, just care about the money. Again, $100, and all you have to do is just literally go on their demographics, so you can see core and keyword targeting. So if I open this, so this is core, and they give you the demographics as well. So if I go on YouTube, they would give me the demographics, which countries are converting as well, male, female, gender, what's the audience. So what we are going to do is, again, tier 1 countries: United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland. Okay, all of these tier 1 countries. Again, if you don't know, just go on tier 1 countries. These are all the tier 1 countries you can target: Italy, Spain, Austria. Again, if you know the language as well, it's a plus for you as well. For me, I just know English, so I'll just do this. I'll just select English for now. Okay, save and go to next step. Once I'm done over here, ad group name, I would just give it ad group 1 Kera Essentials. Okay, all you have to do right now is just go on the keyword section, which is over here, Kera Essentials. Okay, keywords. So this is the keyword. Just copy the keyword and paste it over here. Save and go to next step. They have already given me the landing page ad copy as well, so I've created a landing page from here. So this is the landing page for me. Okay, so this is the landing page. Again, all the ad copy is given over here. Just come over here, create an ad. Literally I can just do this. Okay, Kera Essentials. Go on email swipes. Okay, literally I can just copy the same email swipes, or I can just go on the landing page. Okay, native landing page. I can copy the ad copy from here. Suffering from, so I can just copy this. Okay, wipe here, suffering from here. Again, type toenail fungus. Again, they recommend me as well. So once this is done as well, then what I could do is just go on the email, just copy this and then just paste it over here as well, and then watch video now. So once I've done that, again, all the ad copy and everything is on the email. Just go on save. Okay, now I'm not going to show you ad extension and all of these things, because again, everything is shown in my free course. The link is down below. It's a free affiliate marketing course. Again, it's free to sign up. Just go click the link down below for the free course, and it will show you all the things to make money online. And I think so, guys, that's it. Just go and save and go to next step. I would leave it as $1 and save. And I think so, guys, that's it, guys. Once your ad is approved, you can start making money immediately, and you can make tons of money. And there are times where you can make $1,000 days as well. And I think so, hope you really liked the video. If you would like to learn more about this, guys, there's a link down below. Go and check it out. And Yavar Khan signing off.